Hello, you. Looking to gain weight the healthy way? Forget stuffing your face with junk. Today, I'm going to show you 5 absolutely delicious, beautiful smoothies packed with the right nutrients and calories to help you reach your goals. We're not talking about some bland, watery rubbish you have to force down. We are talking about flavor, texture, and quality ingredients that will make you look forward to every single glass. This isn't about getting fat, it's about getting strong, building lean muscle, and feeling fantastic. The best part? You don't need a professional kitchen or some fancy, overpriced gadgetry. These are ridiculously easy to make right at home with a basic blender. No excuses. I've laid it all out for you step by step, so even if you've never made a smoothie in your life, you can't mess this up. We're going to transform simple, wholesome ingredients into powerhouse drinks that will fuel your body and help you build that physique you've been working so hard for. It's about being smart with your calories. So grab your apron, get your blender ready, and pay close attention. I'm giving you the blueprint for success. We're going to blend, we're going to taste, and we're going to build a better, stronger you, one stunning smoothie at a time. No more skipping meals, no more struggling to hit your calorie targets. This is how you do it properly. This is how you gain weight with finesse and flavor. Now let's get cooking. Right, first up, the undisputed champion of weight gain smoothies, the peanut butter and banana. Don't you dare roll your eyes at me. This is a classic for a reason. It's simple, it's effective, and when done right, it's absolutely gorgeous. We're taking 2 beautiful, ripe bananas. Look for the ones with a few brown spots. That's where the sweetness is hiding. Then, a generous heaping tablespoon of proper peanut butter. I don't want to see that sugary rubbish. Get the natural kind, the one with just peanuts and a touch of salt. That's where the healthy fats and protein are. This combination is a knockout. Now, to make it a proper meal, we're adding whole milk. Don't be shy with it. The fat in whole milk is your friend here. It adds creaminess and, more importantly, those precious calories. If you're dairy-free, a good quality full-fat oat milk will do the job beautifully. We're also adding a scoop of whole rolled oats. Why? For the complex carbs, the fiber, and a lovely, thick texture that makes this smoothie satisfying. It's not just a drink, it's a substantial muscle-building tool. This isn't just throwing things in a blender. It's about building layers of flavor and nutrition. You blend this all together until it's silky smooth. What you get is a thick, creamy, decadent shake that tastes like a dessert, but works like a high-performance fuel. The banana provides natural sweetness and potassium, the peanut butter delivers the protein and fats, and the oats give you sustained energy. Every single sip is packed with purpose. It's calorie-dense, nutrient-rich, and it's the perfect post-workout recovery drink or a powerful start to your day. Get it down, you. Now for something a bit more sophisticated, a bit more elegant, avocado and chocolate. I know what you're thinking. Avocado? In a smoothie? Get over it. Trust me on this. The avocado is our secret weapon for a ridiculously creamy texture and a massive dose of healthy monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that your body craves for energy and hormone production. You'll use half a ripe avocado. It should yield gently when you press it. It adds almost no flavor, but the texture it creates is pure luxury. It's what separates an amateur smoothie from a masterpiece. To this, we're adding a tablespoon of high-quality, unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't use that cheap hot chocolate mix. We want the deep, rich flavor of pure cocoa. This provides antioxidants and that decadent chocolatey taste we all love. For sweetness, a touch of pure maple syrup or a couple of soft medjool dates will do wonders. And for our liquid, we're using unsweetened almond milk to let the chocolate and avocado shine. This smoothie is the definition of smart calories. It feels indulgent, like you're having a forbidden treat, but every ingredient is working for you. Blend it until it's completely velvety. There should be no lumps, just pure liquid silk. The result is a smoothie that's as thick and rich as a chocolate mousse. It's incredibly satisfying and will keep you full for hours. This is perfect for anyone who struggles with a small appetite because it's so dense in calories and nutrients without being overly filling in volume. It's a clever, delicious way to sneak in healthy fats and calories without even trying. An absolutely stunning, clever little number. Wake up! If you're serious about your goals, you need a breakfast that works as hard as you do. Enter the Oatmeal Berry Protein Smoothie. This is your all-in-one breakfast powerhouse. We start with a solid foundation. Half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. You can even soak them in the milk for 10 minutes beforehand to make them easier to blend and digest. The oats provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, which means sustained energy throughout your morning, preventing that mid-morning crash. They also add a fantastic, hearty thickness to the smoothie. Next, the protein. This is non-negotiable for building muscle. We're adding 1 full scoop of your favorite protein powder. Vanilla or unflavored work best here to let the other ingredients sing. Don't just dump it in. Make sure it's a quality powder that agrees with your system. Then, for flavor and a huge vitamin C and antioxidant boost, we add a cup of mixed frozen berries. Using frozen berries makes the smoothie ice cold and thick without watering it down with ice. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, the combination is absolutely beautiful. Our liquid base will be, again, whole milk or a high-protein plant-based alternative like soy milk. This adds another layer of protein and calories. You're getting complex carbs from the oats, high-quality protein from the powder and milk, and essential vitamins and fiber from the berries. It's a perfectly balanced meal in a glass. Blend this until it's smooth but still has a little texture from the berry seeds. It's a vibrant, delicious, and incredibly efficient way to fuel your body for the day ahead. Stop making excuses about not having time for breakfast. This takes 5 minutes. Done. Let's take your taste buds on a holiday with this mango and coconut smoothie. This is sunshine in a glass, but with a serious calorie punch. The star of the show is frozen mango chunks. Using frozen mango gives you an incredibly creamy, almost ice cream-like consistency that is just divine. Mango is not only delicious, but it's also packed with vitamins A and C. We're talking a full cup of frozen mango chunks to get that beautiful, thick base and intense tropical flavor. It's sweet, it's fragrant, it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, for the calories and the creaminess, we are using full-fat canned coconut milk. Listen to me carefully. Not the coconut drink from a carton, but the thick, rich milk from a can. This stuff is liquid gold for anyone trying to gain weight. It is loaded with healthy fats, specifically medium-chain triglycerides, which are easily converted into energy. The flavor is rich, nutty, and pairs perfectly with the mango. We'll use about half a cup of this glorious, thick coconut milk. This is what transforms it from a simple fruit smoothie into a proper high-calorie meal. To round it out, you can add a tablespoon of shredded, unsweetened coconut for a bit of texture and even more healthy fat. A squeeze of fresh lime juice will cut through the richness and make all the flavors pop. It's that little touch of acidity that elevates the whole thing. Blend it all up, and you are left with a smoothie so thick and creamy you could eat it with a spoon. It tastes like a pina colada, but it's actually helping you build a stronger body. It's a smart, delicious escape that gets the job done. Beautiful. Last, but by no means least, we have a smoothie that tastes like pure, unadulterated caramel indulgence, the almond butter and date smoothie. This is for those of you with a sweet tooth. But instead of refined sugar, we're using nature's candy medjool dates. These are big, soft, and have a rich caramel-like flavor. You'll need 2 or 3 of them, but for goodness sake, remember to take the pits out first. Don't be an idiot sandwich and break your blender. The dates provide natural sweetness and a quick source of energy, perfect for pre-workout fuel. The partner in crime for the dates is a generous dollop of creamy almond butter. Just like peanut butter, we're looking for a good quality, natural brand. Almond butter is packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. It adds a wonderful nutty richness that complements the sweet dates perfectly. This combination is not just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. It provides both fast and slow-releasing energy, making it incredibly versatile. It's the perfect balance of sweet, rich, and satisfying. For the base, a cup of whole milk will add to the creamy texture and calorie count. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon to give it a warm, spiced note that takes it to another level. Blend everything until it's completely smooth, ensuring the dates are fully broken down. What you're left with is a smoothie that tastes like a liquid dessert, a sweet, creamy, caramel-like treat, but it's packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. It's the perfect way to satisfy your sugar cravings while staying firmly on track with your weight gain goals. An absolutely brilliant finish. Right, there you have it. 5 incredible, delicious, and powerful smoothies to help you on your journey. I've given you the recipes, I've explained the science, and I've shown you how simple it is. No more excuses. The power is now in your hands and in your blender. I want you to get into your kitchen and start making these. Don't just watch the video, do it. Try the peanut butter banana for a classic boost, or the avocado chocolate when you're feeling adventurous. Find your favorite, or even better, put your own spin on them. Don't be afraid to experiment. That's what cooking is all about. If you don't like almond butter, try cashew butter. If you're out of mango, use frozen pineapple. Add a handful of spinach for extra vitamins. I promise you won't taste it. The recipes I've given you are a foundation, a blueprint. Build on them, make them your own, and share your creations in the comments below. I want to see what you come up with. Let's inspire each other to be better, stronger, and healthier. But listen to me, and listen closely. The most important ingredient of all is consistency. Remember, consistency is key. Drink these regularly and watch your progress. One smoothie isn't going to change your physique overnight, but incorporating these into your daily or weekly routine, alongside your training and proper meals, will make all the difference. You will see the results. Now stop watching me and get blending. Well done.